Unknown assailant shot and killed a man in downtown Montego Bay, St. James on Friday morning. The deceased has been identified as 24-year-old Shakim Lindsay, otherwise called Tino, of a shantytown address in Paradise, Norwood in the parish. Lindsay is the second person to be murdered in St. James since the start of the year. According to the police, Lindsay was killed along St. James Street at about 4 a.m. Citizens reportedly heard explosions and alerted the police. Upon the arrival of the lawmen, Lindsay was seen lying on his back with gunshot wounds to the upper body. He was transported to hospital where he died on arrival. A 14-year-old boy has been arrested and charged for allegedly breaking into a home and attempting to rape a female occupant and stabbing her several times during the incident at a residence on Crawford Street in Mount Salem, St. James on Tuesday, January 2. The boy has been charged with attempted rape, burglary, and wounding with intent. Reports from the Montego Bay police are that about 11:40 p.m., the boy gained entry into the victim's home where he attempted to rape her. A struggle ensued and he used a knife to inflict several stab wounds to her upper body and head. After she made an alarm, he ran from the home. On Wednesday, January 3, a senior citizen escorted him to the police station. He was charged a day later after a question and answer session. His court date is being finalized. A Westmoreland taxi operator of Bay Road, Little London in Westmoreland has been charged with assault occasioning bodily harm and arson following an incident in Whitehall, Phase 3 Negril on Sunday, November 5, 2023. He is Howard Mason, otherwise called Blacks. Reports from the Negril police are that about 2:30 a.m. an argument developed between Mason and a man who was a passenger in his taxi. Mason reportedly left the area, then returned with a bottle of gasoline which he used to set the complainant's house ablaze. The homeowner made an attempt to put out the blaze and was injured in the process. He was assisted to hospital where he was treated and released. He later made a report to the police and following investigations, Mason was taken into custody on Sunday, December 29.